Milk, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is the foundation for a wide variety of products, some of which are among the most profitable in the global dairy industry. Journey with us as we dive deep into the fascinating world of milk and explore the top 5 most profitable milk products. Whether you're a consumer curious about what lands on your table or an entrepreneur scouting for lucrative opportunities, understanding these products could offer insights into why certain dairy goods stand out above the rest. We begin by considering what makes a milk product profitable. It's not just about the price or how widely the product is consumed. It also depends on factors such as production costs, shelf life, export demand, and branding opportunities. Over time, the market has shown a distinct favor for processed and value-added dairy products. These transform simple milk into items with greater appeal and higher margins, creating profits for farmers and manufacturers alike. At number 5, we have milk powders. Powdered milk, whether skimmed, whole, or formulated for infants, plays a crucial role in both domestic and international markets. Its long shelf life makes it ideal for storage and transport, and its versatility allows it to be used in baking, cooking, and as a nutritious supplement. Developing countries, in particular, rely on imported milk powder to support dairy needs when fresh milk supplies are insufficient or when infrastructure for cold storage is lacking. Producers benefit from reduced losses due to perishability and enjoy access to global markets, making milk powder a consistently profitable segment. Next on our list at number 4 is cheese. Globally, cheese is much more than a delicacy. It is a massive industry encompassing hundreds of varieties, from mild mozzarella to sharp cheddar, pungent blue cheese to rich, creamy brie. Cheese production is a cornerstone of the dairy sector in Europe, North America, and increasingly in emerging markets. Its high fat and protein content, coupled with a longer shelf life compared to liquid milk, make cheese manufacture a preferred way to add value. Gourmet and specialty cheeses, in particular, can command premium prices. Cheese is also integral to countless dishes worldwide, driving constant demand in retail and food service industries. Holding the third spot is yogurt and probiotic yogurts. Not just a breakfast favorite, yogurt has become a symbol of healthy living and digestive wellness. The addition of flavors, fruits, and live cultures transforms simple yogurt into a range of specialized products, each with their own loyal fan base. In recent years, the trend of probiotic drinkable and plant-infused yogurts has seen explosive growth. Brand innovation is key. Convenient sizes, exotic flavors, and health claims have all contributed to making yogurt one of the most profitable sectors for dairy producers. Since yogurt appeals to health-conscious consumers and can be sold in higher-priced single-serve containers, margins tend to be extremely attractive. At number 2, we find butter and clarified butters. Butter has enjoyed a renaissance in recent times as consumers shift back from margarine and processed spreads to natural, wholesome fats. Its deep flavor, creamy texture, and versatility in cooking and baking have cemented its return to the dinner table. Clarified butter, especially ghee, a staple in South Asian cuisine, also commands a premium, trading on both culinary tradition and health trends. Butter's profitability is helped by its high fat content, which ensures that the product has a concentrated value, is less perishable than milk, and travels well across global markets. With growing demand for artisanal and grass-fed butters, producers are finding new ways to market and sell at even higher prices. Topping our list at number 1 is the quintessential UHT, or long-life milk. While it may surprise some to see simple milk take the crown, the secret lies in the ultra-high temperature UHT process. By heating milk to high temperatures and packaging it in aseptic containers, producers dramatically extend its shelf life, sometimes up to a year, without refrigeration. This opens million-dollar markets in regions without reliable cold chains, including parts of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. UHT milk is easy to transport and stock, allowing brands to distribute widely and keep overhead low. Retailers love its low spoilage rates, and consumers appreciate the convenience. As a result, profit margins for UHT milk often outpace those of traditional pasteurized milk. While these 5 products lead the pack, the world of dairy is constantly evolving. Innovations like lactose-free milk, fortified milk beverages, and plant-based dairy alternatives continue to reshape the landscape. What remains clear, however, is the sheer versatility and market appeal of processed dairy products. Behind the scenes of these profitable milk products are complex supply chains, innovative processing technologies, and effective marketing strategies. Modern dairy producers employ everything from sophisticated filtration systems to smart packaging, all designed to preserve quality, add value, and extend reach. This investment pays off, with several products boasting higher per-liter returns than fluid milk alone ever could. Of course, profitability doesn't come without its challenges. The dairy industry faces scrutiny over issues like animal welfare, environmental impact, and public health. Forward-thinking producers are meeting these concerns head-on, turning to sustainable practices, biodegradable packaging, and transparent labeling. By doing so, they maintain consumer trust and justify premium prices, demonstrating that profitability and responsibility can go hand in hand. In conclusion, the most profitable milk products, milk powders, cheese, yogurts, butters, and UHT milk, all share a few key traits: value addition, extended shelf life, and the ability to meet diverse consumer needs around the globe. Their success speaks to the ingenuity of the dairy sector and its adaptability in a changing world. Whether you're enjoying a glass of cold milk, a creamy yogurt parfait, or a slice of sharp cheddar, you're part of a story that stretches from farms and factories to tables everywhere. As dairy continues to reinvent itself for new generations, these top 5 products are sure to remain at the heart of what makes milk the world's most enduring and profitable beverage.